Good morning, hello, happy Tuesday. We are starting a new vlog. This is gonna be a very simple, probably a couple days of my life living in New York City. But first, an outfit of the day, as we do, yeah. Also, hello, if you're new here, my name is Gabby. I'm a New York City-based life and style content creator. I'm about to head out, but I figured we could do a cutie little outfit of the day. So let's do it, yeah. I do feel that I ate this lip combo up. Probably should have ironed my pants. My mom is yelling at me while watching this video, but too late to turn back now, to be honest. All right, today's outfit vibes, very like oversized. My blazer is like this cool checkered brown and black print. It's quite oversized, which is cute. And then I'm wearing the Bennett button down from Anthropologie, which I love. If you're looking for like a true oversized button down, the Bennett button down from Anthropologie is the way to go. I pulled out the collar and put it over the jacket, which I think is a cool little touch. Jeans are also Anthropologie, renting from Newly. Probably should have ironed them. We're just gonna ignore that, or at least try to. And then my shoes are the Joey loafers from Cezanne. They're very cool. Yeah, that is the outfit. Half up, half down bun situation. Hoops are from Cezanne as well. Normal rings and things. Yeah. And then I did my all-time favorite perfume combo, which is the Burberry Her. I think it's like the spring edition or something. It's the green one. And then I topped that with the Dior J'adore. Or J'adore Dior. Whichever one it is. But that is the outfit of the day. Just got off a call for an exciting potential partnership situation for the new year, which is fun. We love, but it's time for dinner, and I made a delicious soup earlier in the week. It's got some ground beef, some tortellini, carrots, celery, beef broth. Like, it's delicious, and I'm gonna heat it up so I can eat it. I talk about it in the weekly, which if you're still not subscribed to my newsletter, what are you doing? I store like individual servings in my Tupperware, and then I put it into my Le Creuset little mini pot, and I warm it up so that it tastes as delicious as it did when it was fresh from the pot. And I like to do this. I don't love microwaving soups. I just feel like they don't do as well in the microwave, you know? A little mini pot like that, it's so easy, especially if you're like a single person preparing a single meal, you know? It's easy to just throw it in there and heat it up. Oh, also, I can show you my new bag charm that Fenya got me as part of my Christmas gift. And I'm the type of person that would never like buy a bag charm. There's like no reason for me to do that. So it was kind of the perfect gift because it's green and brown. It goes with my bag, and it's cute as hell, I think. So yeah. And then I also have this demi baguette that I'm gonna pop into my cutie little Our Place. What is this? The Perfect Oven, I think is what it's like technically called. But essentially you can air fry, bake, reheat, broil, toast, roast, all the things in here. It's honestly kind of iconic. My goal in the new year is to figure out how to use this like every day if I can. So they did gift this to me, but I am like obsessed with it. I mean, you know, I love Our Place. I've had these pot pan for like years. But yeah, let's toast this up. Cool. It is so frigid out. In New York, it is currently 31 degrees according to my Echo Show, and that's like, it just feels like crispy out, you know? Which means I am gonna love to stay indoors. But I got some peonies from the grocery store. For a while, Whole Foods like had no flowers like ever. And now it's like you walk in and it's like a garden, a wall of flowers. So I always get but I got some white ones and some purpley ones. I like putting colorful ones in my room because my room's kind of like devoid of color, which I think is just because like I'm a victim of like 2016 beige vibes that I'm trying to snap out of in general. So I'm gonna cut these, remove some of these stems. 10 out of 10. Also, did I cut myself? I really need to get proper like flower scissors. Nice. Hello friends, it is 2025. Happy 2025, a new year. I already made my new vision board phone background, which is fun. I love doing these. I have a bunch from like years past. So this is like 2023 and then 2024 and then this year. So it's 2 o'clock, as we can see, Saturday, January 11th, 111. Whoa. And I have been doing some like weekly reset tasks. So I went to the grocery store this morning, got some stuff to make dinner tonight, stuff for the week, did a little bit of cleaning, took out the trash, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's a very chill Saturday. I have some things that I want to do. I just made a little bit of tea in my cutie little Anthropologie mug. It is, I think is it Harvey and Sons or Harvey and Friends? I don't know, but it's like a green matcha situation. So it's like a matcha green tea with like berry flavor, but it's like a tea bag. So it's very good. I'm not a huge tea drinker, but I'm trying to get into it. So I made that, and then I also think I'm going to do a little bit of reading because I do like to relax on the weekend. And I'm currently reading the book Honey. The book, is this upside down? Yes. I'm currently reading Honey by Isabel Banta. I got it through Lit Girl, of course, my faves. And so I'm reading this. It's about a pop star in the early 2000s, or like mid 2000s, I think. No, early 2000s, who is like in a group and then tries to go solo, and just kind of like the drama. Yeah, I really like it so far. I feel like a couple people who read my newsletter said that they weren't huge fans of this, which is interesting, but I love like a Hollywood musician expose drama type vibe. Like I very much love Daisy Jones and the Six, the book and the show, so like those kind of vibes. So I think if you're into that vibe you would like it, but it's like Daisy Jones and the Six if it was about a solo artist and more in that like literary fiction zone. But I'm gonna read my book, drink my tea, and I will check in with you later. Cute, let's do it. Also, if I don't paint my nails tonight, feel free to like yell at me. It's becoming an issue.
Miss Hanson, you're shocked.
No, disappointed.
No, shocked.
I don't like dishonesty.
You're not his wife.
Why didn't you tell me you were married?
Oh, I see.
Why? Why?
I was afraid. I was afraid if you knew too soon, you would end us before we began.
Pretending everything is fine and dandy just because you want to do it.
You Americans get so distracted.
Hello. I am gonna do some skincare really quickly, nice and easy, the usual situation. Let's do it. It is Saturday and I've been in the whole day, and honestly it's what I needed. Cleaned my makeup brushes, made a yummy little spaghetti. Well, technically it was bucatini, and it was the Bonza bucatini, which at first I was like, I don't know how I feel about this because it's like made from chickpeas, and honestly it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It did take a little bit of an adjustment, but we did a little meatball tomato sauce bucatini moment. It was really delicious. The only thing it was missing was a little bit of Parmesan cheese, so if I would have had that, we would have been cooking. We would have been nailing it, actually. So we didn't have that, but next time, okay? But yeah, and then I started Hacks, and I like it so far. I like it. Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is OG. If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I have used this for years, and it's too good. It goes on sale often at Ulta, so honestly, just wait for a sale and stock up. The Road Glazing Milk. It's a good, it's light, it's easy, gets the job Done. Easy peasy. And then it wouldn't be a night in if I didn't do a face mask. And I think I'm gonna do the double take loops glow mask. You know I'm a big fan of loops. They just are like a good treat yourself self-care moment vibe. But I mostly like these because they are 2 pieces. So top and bottom of the face. The first time I did this, I definitely did not put it on correctly. There's like a textured side that's supposed to go on the skin itself. You just set a timer for 10 minutes and then you're all done. A little bit of the Edam lip treatment, which at this point you guys also know I love. Let's paint my nails. I don't know what color I'm gonna do though. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Hello. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm excited to bring more vlogs this year. But yeah, I did my nails. This has been like my staple, I feel. It's the color of winter 2025, okay? Like a navy. Did my nails, just did my meditation on the Peloton app. I'm doing like the 100-day challenge, which honestly is a lot. But it's good. I'd never done a meditation class, so I did that. But yeah, I'm gonna read a little bit and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the vlogs, and leave me a comment down below. What's up? How are we doing? How are we feeling about the new year? Cute. I'll see you next week. Bye.